Members of our Rhode Island General Assembly, first of all, thank you for your diligent service to our great state of Rhode Island. As a Rhode Island resident, I am sending you this message to express my support for the Rhode Island Livable Home Modification Grant Program. I ask if you will join us in support of this program. With the current public health crisis, it has become more pertinent than ever to keep individuals, including your constituents, safely at home and out of congregate settings. The grant program, initiated originally by the AARP, provides funds to the hundreds of thousands elderly and disabled Rhode Islanders to modify their homes with wheelchair ramps, stair lifts, walk-in, roll-in showers, which allow them to age safely at home. This will become even more important to older Rhode Islanders as we address the new normal brought on by COVID-19. To keep them safe, some Rhode Islanders have been moved out of nursing homes, and families are reconsidering nursing homes altogether. But without the Livable Home Modification Grant Program, their homes may not be safe nor accessible place for our state's loved ones to live. Additional benefits of the Livable Home Modification Program include keeping people in their own homes and not nursing homes saves state taxpayer dollars significantly by reducing state Medicaid costs. These home modifications like walk-in showers, roll-in showers, stair lifts, wheelchair ramps, they become permanent assets for future homeowners. Addressing these home modifications will reduce falls, which represent the leading cause of injury hospitalizations in Rhode Island. Most of these folks are age 65 and over. The Livable Home Modification Grant Program is a critical lifeline for the thousands of families who choose to keep their loved ones at home instead of a nursing home. Although it is a small fraction of the state's overall budget, the program has had and will have a significant impact on so many Rhode Island families in your very own district. We implore you to maintain the $500,000 earmarked in the budget for this important program. I would like to know if we have your support of this program when you weigh in on the 2021 budget. Again, thank you for your diligent service to our great state. We're looking forward to hearing from you about your stance on this program. Thank you.